Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to use Adobe Express for presentation. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Express, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Using Adobe Express to create engaging presentations is very simple and effective, especially for individuals looking for a visually stunning alternative to traditional slide decks like PowerPoint. Okay, so once you are logged into your account, I want you to click the project or the design that you're working. If you haven't already, just go to the template section, wherein all we have to do is go to the presentation option here. Now, once you're inside the empty canvas, you need to browse the presentation templates in the library here. All right. So, matter of fact, there are thousands of templates that you can use for education, presentation, business, and storytelling. Just select a template that matches your topic or purpose. For example, we're going to use this multicolor typeface launch presentation. Of course, all I have to do is add as pages or start a new file if you want. Let's click add as pages. All right. Now what happens, we will be forwarded here in the first one. You see, on the left side panel of your dashboard, you would be able to see the layers section. All right. So let's click on that. So these are going to be the layers. All right. So for this instance, we're going to resize. You can resize all of the elements together here. Right. So for example, this, I'm going to make it a little bit smaller for you guys can see, and then put in your own text. All right. Go. Of course, you can also use the upload media in the left side panel of your section. You can upload your own files, select photos and audios files to upload from device, but I'm using the brands, so I can use my own logo. So we have a separate video on how to use logo and apply brands here in Adobe Express, so it's a lot easier for you to deal with the it can save you time, obviously. So the uploaded media will be placed just right here. All right, you can do that. Of course, we can edit this font style, maybe put an outline right here, like a black, and increase the thickness so it pops a little bit, not too much, just like that. Put the text maybe on top a little bit so guys can see that. So there you go. Now we can add small video here. Go to the left side panel of your dashboard, go to media. Maybe we're going to go to the video section. Let's add an interactive stuff here. For example, this. All right, so send it to backward. Send it to backward. Send it to backward. All right, so what I'm going to do is decrease the opacity so you guys can see it. I'm going to send it to backward first. One more time. There you go. And then decrease the opacity. I'm going to put my logo here and try to click play to see what we got here. You see that? Very interactive, right? So these are some of the options and ways for you to be able to create and use Adobe Express as something for presentation. All right. Now, once you are happy with that, all right, if the elements have been placed well together, you might want to go to the presentation mode. You have like a drop down menu here wherein you can present from first page or present from current page or the presenter mode. You can start presenting with presenter notes. But for now, you also have an option for the content playback. Is it going to be auto? Wherein place media automatically on page, or click place media on page after one click. So let's go to the auto for now, or click for now. and then present from first page. All right, so you see that should be able to make it sure that this is a very interactive tool for you to create amazing and visually stunning and engaging presentations. As you can see, Adobe Express offers a drag and drop editor, which is beginner friendly, requiring no design experience. You can create presentations without learning complex software like, Adobe Premiere Pro and whatnot. So for you to be able to do that, just hover around by pressing the arrow to click until to the last slideshow or last slide, right? And then you have to press the escape button to end the presentation. And if you are happy with this, you might want to go to the see this submit feedback if you want. For example, if you're working with multiple people, like multiple freelancers, or maybe to your educators or to your colleagues, you might want to submit an idea, join Discord community, or join the Facebook community. So these are going to be some of your options. All right. If you click on the presenter mode, start presenting with a presenter notes, what happens, it would be forwarded here, wherein you can put in your own notes, like notes here, presenter window. Okay, you can put in notes so that while you're speaking, you have like a guide, right? So you're not going to be easier, and all you have to do is exit the slideshow for you to be brought back again on the canvas. Now, you might want to go to the download option, wherein if you click that, these are going to be the formats that you can choose. Would you like to download this as a PNG plus MP4 combo, or JPEG plus MP4 combo, PNG, JPEG, PDF, and of course they also have the option for the MP4. You can select pages and whatnot, and you also have the option to share this amazing design that you have created per presentation. You see, you can copy this link, send it to the people you have invited that only can access this design. But if you want, anyone with the link can access this, and you have two options. They can edit and they can comment. And if you would like to save a copy of this to your cloud, say for example Google Drive, OneDrive, and Dropbox, you are welcome to do that, right? Because as you can see, using a template here in Adobe Express saves times and ensure a polished professional look. It provides tools for incorporating high quality images, icons, and graphics into your slides. And of course, you can always add dynamic elements like animation right here and videos to make your presentation stand out. And we have a separate video on how to add your brand kit feature here to your any of your designs, so you can ensure consistency by using your brands or organizations or companies' logos, fonts across all slides, which is perfect for corporate presentations and marketing materials. Okay, and that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.